Cats can get nervous, especially in loud situations, during changes at home, or when they are left alone. If your cat feels anxious or stressed, some vet-approved methods can help them calm down. A safe space for your cat helps them feel secure and relax. It gives them a quiet area to escape when they feel stressed. This can reduce anxiety and make them happy. Environmental changes, like reduce loud noises and keep a routine, helps your cat feel more comfortable. A calm home can lower their stress levels and make them feel safe. Interactive play is essential for your cat's mental and physical health, help to reduce anxiety and prevent boredom. This makes playtime safe and fun for your cat and keep them happy and healthy. Training and behavior modification can help your cat learn positive habits, reduce unwanted behaviors and stress. Using vet-approved methods builds trust between you and your cat, create a calm atmosphere. Playing soft music can create a relaxed environment that helps reduce your cat's anxiety and stress. Vet-approved playlists are designed to promote relaxation and make your cat feel more comfortable at home. Provide regular exercise helps release pent-up energy, reduce stress and anxiety in your cat. Vet-approved activities like interactive play and climbing can keep them physically fit and mentally stimulate. You can use health supplements that help keep your cat healthy. They come in different forms and provide important vitamins and nutrients which help your cat feel safe and relax. Bernie's Perfect Poop helps your cat have healthy digestion and regular bathroom habits. It supports nutrient absorption and makes sure your cat gets good stuff from their food. With better digestion, your cat will feel happy and more energetic. Mix it with their food to support healthy gut function. It is a simple way to keep your cat feel good and happy. So by applying these simple tips and effective product, you can help your cat feel safe and relax.